the Elf Halo Glow really worth the hype, or is it just another viral product? I have been testing this out and let's hear my honest reviews. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to review this Elf Halo Glow. I have heard so much about this product कि मुझे ये लेना ही पड़ा. I have the Charlotte Tilbury one already, but मैंने इसके बारे में इतना सुना और ये इतनी बार like luxury makeup brand से compare हो चुका है. So let's find it out if it's actually worth it. So first things first, ये actually है क्या? So it's not like a foundation, it's a complexion booster basically, which gives your skin very healthy and radiant glow. Like you apply this, right, and then just merge it. So this gives your skin a really healthy and natural glow. I don't know if you can see, but it's not a foundation. इसकी कोई coverage नहीं है, but it just gives that glow and you can use it under your foundation. पहले ये लगाया and then you do foundation, concealer and etc. Or mix it with your foundation, or you can apply it at the end, like ऊपर ऊपर, like a highlighter. So these are the three ways you can use it. So talking about the packaging, it comes in a glass bottle and it has a doe foot applicator. So it becomes काफ़ी easy to apply and merge it out. So yeah, the packaging is pretty great. So I'm applying this directly on my face. Look, it's so easy to apply. Full face पे इसको मैंने apply कर दिया. Taking a brush, I'm just merging this out. मैं पहले से ही अपनी स्किन हाइड्रेट कर चुकी थी. स्किन प्रेप वॉज ऑलरेडी डन. उसके बाद मैं ये कर रही हूँ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the glow, you guys. I don't know if you can see this, but ये बहुत ही सुंदर glow दे रहा है. It's making your skin look so fresh and radiant. I'm not sure about the smell. मतलब ठीक है इसकी smell, like the fragrance is okayish, not that good. But yeah, it is giving such a healthy glow to my face. Like, oh my god, I did not expect this. By the way, the shade is One Fair, which I'm using on my face. And look at this. It gives such a beautiful glow. Like, I did not expect this at this price. This is looking so pretty. Now I know कि ये क्यों compare होता है इतने luxury brands से. It actually gives your skin like soft lit from within kind of glow, and ये बिल्कुल भी glittery नहीं है. It's just that shine, that glow from within वाला glow, which is exactly what we need and we want, because वो बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. Glittery नहीं है, but बहुत ही natural एक sheen create करता है face पे, which is amazing. Wow, I love it. Alright, so two things to keep in mind. First, इसके almost no coverage है. So if you think कि इससे आपके blemishes या pimples या कुछ भी hide होगा, no, you will need foundation or concealer for that. ये almost बिल्कुल भी कोई coverage नहीं देता, सिर्फ एक shine ही देता है. Secondly, अगर if your skin is very oily, like too oily, तो ये maybe too much लगे आपको एक humid weather में. But if you have like dry to normal or combination skin, so it will work beautifully. But for oily skin people, maybe कुछ ज़्यादा ही glow हो जाएगा. But if you are layering your products or you are using powder at the end for oily skin people, आपके लिए भी आराम से चलेगा, but just the technique should be right and the layering should be right. So I would recommend this product to people जिसको glowy base चाहिए, या जिसको everyday makeup के लिए बहुत light makeup चाहिए, या फिर जिसको एक radiant base बहुत पसंद है. You are going to love this product. Overall, I love this product. This is so versatile and it gives an amazing glow. And for the price, oh my god, this is such a good and high quality product. I will definitely reach out to it in future. And yeah, this is my final And these are my honest reviews on the Elf Halo Glow. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it or if you are planning to try it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It would again mean a lot to me. And see you in the next one. Bye.